Hi all. So today's video we will talk about the importance of Chatgpt and data engineers. So I think last 1 month we are hearing about Chatgpt is replaced by data engineers, and these kind of Chatgpt will lose lot of jobs in this IT market. So I will tell you what is the truth behind these things. So first thing, what is ChatGPT? The ChatGPT, like a human kind of robot, they are providing a quick answer. If we are searching something in ChatGPT, they will provide some quick report to us. Previously we are familiar with the chatbot in the customer support. There are like one small thing, right? There are if there is any customer support, we need to click on the message type on that one. So then they are providing some predefined question. Hi madam or hi sir, what help you from needed? So they are providing some options also. So that was like a not fully artificial chatbot. But in the ChatGPT, the OpenAI was the company developed, like an open company developed this chatbot kind of human interactive system for the people in the worldwide, and they use billions of data to train this system, because there are different APIs calls are there searching the data from in our system to another system, means another data set. Then for example, I'm clicking what is your name, the ChatGPT definitely will answer like I'm generating this month, I'm generating this train, these kind of things. So that kind of predefined or like a human interactive kind of chatbot is called the ChatGPT. Then the next question will be, is it replace data engineer? The question answer will be absolute no, because we will get some kind of predefined answers from the ChatGPT, but the codes also available like Stack Overflow. But after 21st and 2021, kind of data is not trained in the ChatGPT, and we can get a piece of code but not entire project. Definitely we will get, but there is a human interaction is not fully on the ChatGPT, but we can use different fields in the ChatGPT. Like when you are preparing for some examination, we need to ask them what will be the question we'll ask in the interview, and definitely you will get some kind of means if we are searching the Google, we need to read, but in the ChatGPT also they are providing a predefined answer. So that is the main difference in the ChatGPT and Google searching. But it will be some kind of modification definitely that OpenAI engineers will adding more important points to that particular chat, because after 2021 it was not trained with the latest model. That is the one important thing. And the Stack Overflow. So the one thing that I heard about the news, like Stack Overflow banned these ChatGPT. Why? Because people are entering into ChatGPT and copying the data from Stack Overflow to this one, right? So this kind of thing is not human interactive. These are the main reason. Some kind of advantages is there, some kind of advantage plus disadvantages is also there. So I think hope you're clear. Thank you.